Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a website on IIS. First, confirm that Internet Information Services is properly installed on your Windows server. Next, gather all your website files and place them into a specific, easily accessible folder on your server's drive. This organization is crucial for a smooth setup. Finally, launch the IIS Manager, which you can find within your server's administrative tools. This is where we will begin configuring your new site. Now, let's add your website. In the IIS Manager, locate the Connections pane on the left side. Right-click on Sites and choose Add Website from the menu that appears. You will then be prompted to enter a unique name for your site and provide the exact physical path to your website files. Remember to also select or create an appropriate application pool for your new site, which helps manage its processes. Next, we configure the site's bindings and permissions. In the Add Website dialog, specify the binding type, usually HTTP, along with the IP address and port number, commonly port 80. If you are hosting multiple sites, enter a unique host name. Crucially, navigate to your website's physical folder and grant the IIS users group read and execute permissions. Also, verify your server's firewall permits incoming traffic on the chosen port. Finally, it's time to test your new website. After completing the setup, ensure your website is started within the IIS Manager. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL or hostname you configured. Your website should load successfully, displaying its content. If you encounter any issues, check the IIS logs for error messages, which can provide valuable clues for troubleshooting. Congratulations, your website is now live.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.